Linda Buford in Linda's Kitchen. We're going to make homemade Southern cornbread. First thing we're going to do is get our cornmeal. I keep my cornmeal in these containers so it can stay fresh. I'm going to use two of these. Okay? And then this is my flour. Oh, I'm sorry. Go back. This is my flour. We don't want to use that much flour. Let's take that flour out. Put that flour back in there. This is how much flour we're going to use. About this much. So it's about two of these spoonfuls. Okay? Now this is the cornmeal. We're going to use more cornmeal than flour. We're going to use about three of the cornmeal. So mix that up together. We're going to use a little bit of pink salt. That's pink salt. Put that in there. And then we're going to use 2 eggs. The way we're going to use our eggs is this is the way we're going to crack our eggs in here. Crack our eggs. We're going to use 2 of them. And then we're going to whisk them with a fork. Okay? We're going to pour that in there. Then we're going to use our buttermilk. See? We usually use milk with this, but I don't have any milk, so we're going to put a little water in this container and pour that in there. Now, we're going to stir that up real good, and you're going to have the consistency of like pancakes. If it's too thick, add more milk. If it's too thin, add more cornmeal. Now, I like my cornbread to be sweet, so I use a little sugar. Here's my sugar. I think we can use a little bit more water. That wouldn't be water, that would be milk for you. I didn't want to run to the store to get more milk, but this would be good. Then we have our skillet right here. In the skillet, we have butter and bacon grease. I'm going to pour that hot grease in there. Well, it's not that hot now. Then we're going to stir that in there. And then we're going to put this skillet. See the skillet? Cast iron skillet. You got to use cast iron skillet. Going to put that on the stove. And then you pour the cornbread in it when it's hot. The skillet is hot. You pour your cornbread in there, and then the edges, it's going to be turned a little brown. Going to be a little crispy. And that's when you put it in your preheated oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. Okay? All the butter and the bacon grease got to get melted. This is your bacon grease. Big old bunch of fat back. Keep it in your refrigerator. And it's cooking. The grease and the butter is getting hot on the stove. And now this is now you're pouring this in the hot skillet. Pour that cornbread right there in the hot skillet. Now, when I was telling you about how the edges, look at them edges. See that? Uh-huh. Now you're gonna put this hot thing in the oven for about 20 minutes. The Biffer's Kitchen, making her homemade cornbread. Okay. So, and I forgot to tell you, you got to get Aunt your Mama mixed cornmeal. Aunt your Mama mixed cornmeal. Don't just go get any kind of cornmeal, any kind of flour. Always get your Aunt your Mama. Okay, here's the knife. Can you see? Cut that cornbread like that. This is Grandmama's plate. I had two of them. I think broke one of them. Who broke the other one? Oh, one of my grandkids. Okay. Now what you got to do is get you some butter. And you take that cornbread like this. Cut it in half. Look, see how pretty it is. And then get you some butter.
Couldn't see it.
You see it now? Huh? Put your butter like this. And then you're gonna put your butter like that. And you're gonna close it up so that steam can get in there. Smash it down. Yeah.